My name's Hayley. I'm doing an apprenticeship in wall and floor tiling at TAFE SA. Before I started my apprenticeship, I did a Certificate 2 course here in construction. It touched on bricklaying, rendering, tiling and plastering. And it really helped with confidence just getting into it, having some of the skills already. For sure, I'd definitely recommend that if you're looking for an option to get into it. It definitely helped me decide what I wanted to do. I was a hairdresser for about 15 years and I finished up when I had my kids. I was looking for something still, I guess, creative and long-term, flexibility, and it's been really, really good. I think anyone trying to get employment, even trades and stuff, male or female, it might feel like you need to push a bit. Just don't let it stop you. Just push, lean on anybody you can. Even if you feel like there's anything stopping you, just keep trying. You'll get there. My goal really ultimately is to flip houses. And I feel like I could probably get to a point where I could do a lot of it myself just because of the skills I've learnt from tiling.